for me to pack for this really great experience I'm going for. और इस बार जो मैं experience करने वाली हूँ वो एक level up है क्योंकि first thing because it is international. I'm going to Malaysia at Sepang Circuit in association with Gulf Oil. So overall the next 5 days, so start from 24th of October till 26th, I'm going to give you all the action behind the scene at the MotoGP Sepang Circuit Malaysia. तो मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ. So what you guys are waiting? चलो यार, let's go and experience the MotoGP race in Malaysia with Gulf Oil. Hi everyone, I hope that you all are doing good. So I reached at the airport or I'm going on the way to pick up something to eat. And I'm super grateful yaar that I got this opportunity to experience MotoGP Malaysia, my first ever international race experience, to watch, to create content and to bring the feel. That is so important. Finally the time is to board. On the way to go. So I'm here in Malaysia. I'm all the way. This is very exciting for me. So far the experience is amazing. Starting from the flight to landing. Yes, immigration में बहुत time लग गया मुझे. I grabbed a cup of coffee because I wanted to drink something cold to feel awake because today is our day one of our MotoGP Malaysia round. So it's going to be a lot of fun. So stay tuned with me on the day one of MotoGP with California. So this is my hotel and what an experience of this amazing city. It's small but yet so clean. So here we go. So room में entry हो गई है मेरी and this is the beautiful view and I'll give you the tour of the room. And अभी आज का डे है जब हम लोग हमारा फर्स्ट डे MotoGP सिपांग सर्किट में जाके स्पेंड करने वाले हैं, जहाँ पे हम लोग राइडर्स के साथ मिलेंगे, जहाँ पे हम लोग बाइक्स को क्लोजली देखेंगे. सिपांग ऑलमोस्ट यहाँ से 50 किलोमीटर्स होगा बट इट विल टेक अराउंड 45 minutes because everybody follows the traffic rule. So the actual fun going to begin from here. I'm gonna walk in, show the pass and let's have a great weekend. So welcome to the Bangkok area. Just all the influencers came down here to see the lights and honestly we didn't even get 10 seconds to see the light. Both the riders just came and they sat and they went for a sunset. This is the Paddock entry. So I'm going to show my pass which is in my phone. And from here you can see the bikes are already starting up. And this is our Paddock area. This is the VIP section. This is our hospitality area. And queue. So yesterday was a practice day and today is the day one where we are going to have the qualifiers and we also going to have the sprint race. So I'm totally looking forward to have both the riders from the Gulf Trackhouse Aprilia team, MotoGP team to perform amazingly and just grab some really good positions. Now the bike for Ayagora is getting ready and that's his pod. He's gonna come, use the bike and go out for the qualifiers. I think excitement at the same time, there has a lot of tension going on up here. We got a chance to talk to the rider. I finished mine, so now the other rider, other people are going and interacting with him. and understanding like what he do with the through the rapid fire.
All right, everyone. So I'm back today. We saw the qualifiers, and after the qualifying round, we got to know both the riders' position on the grid. And now I'm just walking in the bay of Paddock area. At 3 is going to be the sprint race. Sprint race is the one in which the number of laps are lesser, and that is only happens for the MotoGP category. Well, tomorrow is going to be the main race, so we will see Moto2, Moto3, Moto2 and MotoGP. So I'm super excited. The race is going to start in 5 minutes, and all the crowd is here, even Praveen. Oh, what a race! What a race! And our two riders also have done a fantastic job. The way Pagoda has taken the corner and overtook another rider was fantastic. So lovely to see the energy, the vibe, and how the bike produces the sound, gives so much of chills. और मैंने इतना up and down किया to get the two side of the shots कि I just probably lost some calories for sure. But yeah, so today the sprint got over, and now we're going to head towards to meet the riders, which has been organized by the girls. Good morning from the day 3, and today is the most brightest day I have seen, so for sure have to put a lot of sunscreen first. Let's keep the fun going today and have the best energy around. Now the most exciting part is gonna come. We are going to walk to the entire pit lane area where we are going to see other teams' pods as well, and we are with the main person of the Trackhouse team who is the tech head, and he will take us through the entire walk, and it will going to be a very good thing in terms of the overall thing. So I'm just super excited for this part, and today is the race, so just stay with me and I'll show you the pit lane of MotoGP. So now I'm running towards the other side of pit so I can capture the long shot and the house shot over there. Time to go home. We reached to airport. These 7 days of amazing adventure is getting over here. Then of course guys, without them this opportunity would have not knocked my door. So thank you so much for that. And it's bringing a lot of courage in me to take out things which I've never done in previous time. And I'll do more better because I've learned about it. So yeah.